Today, we're gonna bring a fanny pack, a really good fanny pack that to travel purposes, this is great. They have in different colors. We end up getting like a snake combination. It's really good. There's actually two sets of bags, one hidden compartment in the back, one in the front, and then there's another little one, a divider in the center here. All right. And then they got the little tiny hook. So if you have a phone and you have a clip or something, you could clip your phone in there so you won't lose it. On top of that, there's a little cut in here, and this is where your headset's going connected to. And of course, you can open it up all the way. This is very convenient for traveling purposes. It is not a waterproof, so it's all mostly nylon in there. Very simple, easy to use. We're gonna flip it up if you guys can see the material in there. The lining's pretty good, pretty lined up. It's nice and neat in here. Enough room for, you put your wallet, your traveling purposes in it, and you put your keys or anything. This is good for outdoors. If you're working out, if you're gonna be working out too, this is especially because of the material. It could take a lot of moisture. Easy to use, easy to carry around with you for workouts. So if you don't want to use a locker and you want to carry your keys and your phone, this might be it. Now the waist part, it's about 38 on size waist, all right? Doesn't go 40. So if you guys are a little chubby wubbies just like me, it's not gonna fit very properly, but it fits mostly the majority of the Americans out there. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.